Welcome to the second clip on how to tell time. Now you're going to learn about o'clock. O'clock is the word that you use every time the minute hand, which we know is our long hand, is pointing at number 12. 12 means o'clock when the minute hand is on it. So let us have a look. What do you think this time is then? The long hand, which is the minute hand, is on the 12, so we know it's going to end with o'clock. And the short hand, which is the hour hand, is on the 4. So we're going to say this is 4 o'clock. So you start with the word for the number, and then you say o'clock because it's on 12. So this one is 4 o'clock. What do you think this one would be? We know it's going to end in o'clock because it's pointing at the 12. So it's going to be, this one's looking at the 7. It's going to be 7 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 10. So we're going to say it is 10 o'clock. And the last one for our o'clocks, we know it's o'clocks. Why? Because the minute hand's pointing at 12. And what is the hour hand pointing at? It's pointing at 9. So we're going to say this is 9 o'clock. And if you want to know how to write o'clock, let's show you quickly. So if we were to write 9 o'clock, we would write it like this. 9 o'clock. And later on, sorry, I spelled that wrong. There we go. Double K, it's a CK at the end. 9 o'clock. Later on, you will learn digital time, and 9 o'clock will be represented like this. 9:00. Let's look at what the others will be written as. We said this one was 10 o'clock. So it's 10 o'clock. And in digital time, it will be written as 10:00. Okay, that one we said was 7 o'clock. It will be written like this, 7 o'clock. In digital, it will look like this, 7:00. And that one is 4 o'clock, so it will be 4 o'clock. In digital, it will look like this, 4:00. Okay, and this one will be 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Digital, it will look like this, 3:00. Okay, you've learned your o'clocks. In the next lecture, we'll tell you what the next terminology is when we move on to the minute hand on the 3. If you're enjoying my lectures, press subscribe so that you can keep with me and to keep up with learning all the valuable skills that I'm sharing on my channel. See you soon.